Welcome everyone to HueFin, your trusted source of news according to the price chart, as well as giving you news that is easy to understand as well as see. If this is your first time watching our video, you guys can tell by our price chart, we're not here to confuse you. We're simply here to give you the forecast as to our expectations and sit back and allow the market to trade. So make sure you hit that like button, share the video, and also subscribe to this channel so you do not miss out on the things that we are noticing on the price chart. We're going to give you all the update on Tesla for today. Last time we did our video on Tesla was on the 11th of January 2020, and seemingly the last two videos that we did in Tesla, the market continues to go against our forecast, and it happens. I mean, especially when the market in Tesla has been on such a rigor, such an aggressive movement higher. We knew that the market in Tesla was bound for a move to the downside, but in this situation, it just didn't happen. So this was not a very good forecast for us. Let's go ahead and see if we were to close it out today. That'd be a loss of about 17.04%. Massive. This particular stock has completely went against many people's expectations, except for those who are diehards for Tesla. So let's go ahead and get rid of this. Didn't go good, 17.04%. So now let's update you on the things that we're seeing into the market in Tesla since our last video for this stock. Okay. So again, we are still in an uptrend in Tesla. We are still following this ascending line. So I'm not going to change this. I'm just going to extend it further, seeing how the market in Tesla continues to make all-time highs. Like, this is literally an straight shot up into the market for Tesla. Like, you rarely see this in a stock market for these particular type of industries. One thing that I wanted to point out as I zoom in is that we have seen an influx of volume come into the market for Tesla. So what's going on? At these extremely high prices, these all-time highs, why would you see all this volume? Because the market is selling. So you need to start thinking about how low can the market move while it's trading at these all-time highs. The last 3 days, including today's trading day in Tesla, you can tell that the market is still in a sell phase. It's still selling. This is one glaring indication that there was a massive amount of selling into the market in Tesla. So our last two videos that we did in Tesla, we've been eyeing for the market to move lower, to move lower, to move lower, and we still haven't gotten it. You might think it's crazy, but I'm going to go for another move to the downside in Tesla. And I'm going to show you why. Looking here on the 2-hour chart in Tesla, the market is not giving us any indications of strength. None. This whole group of price bars right here is nothing but weakness. So we have to address that and acknowledge it for what it is. The 3-hour chart, I'm still getting indications of weakness. But you know what? I'm not seeing a massive amount of weakness to where I would expect Tesla to completely drop out the bottom. Okay, I don't see that. But still, we're going to play the market in Tesla with the movement to the downside. And this 560 is trying to be maintained as support right now. If we break that 560 to the downside, it would not be a problem for us to fill in that gap to around like $550. At 30-minute bars, looks like the market is still giving us some weakness too. So let's go ahead and play this market move in Tesla to the downside. We'll TP it right here at the top of this particular 45-minute bar, which is, let me see, $548. So I do around $550 for TP. So about 1.89% from where we are right now. And definitely this area right here has to be maintained as resistance. So let's play this in Tesla, extend this out a little bit further. Go ahead and bring this up a little bit more. All right, so this is it. This is our forecast in the market in Tesla. Still looking for this particular stock to see lower prices. Questions, comments, as always, leave us one. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, as well as on our own website at HueFinancial.com. But in the meantime, look, make sure you maintain that profitability, and I'll see you all on the next one.